not fooled by your games you play, the lies you lie.
NK. So tell me, how did it go?
If you are so desperate to know how it went, why don't you go to him? I'm sure he'll be so obliged to let you know.
I hope this girl has not gone there to embarrass herself. Where is my phone? Where did I drop this phone?
But she is already taken by a love that is
Mazi, you know, your daughter is very educated. And with her university degree, I believe she will take my businesses to the next level.
Wait. Are you saying you want to involve my daughter in your businesses?
Mazi, not just getting her involved. Okay? See, your daughter is very intelligent. She's educated. She's smart and brave. In fact, I want to make her the managing director of my companies, the chains of my businesses here and abroad. And with her help, I believe my business will strive even greater than what it is right now. So I trust her completely.
Huh. Now I understand you. You are a very smart boy. You've thought through everything. Okay. That's a smart one.
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
You know, Mazi, there's something with these workers of nowadays. I don't trust them completely. I mean, I won't sit here and allow people to ruin what I have built for so many years. But as for your daughter, making her the managing director of all my businesses, I can confidently give her a vote of confidence that she will do well. I trust her completely, Mazi.
Wow. I can see that you've thought through everything.
I did.
Okay. It's all right. And I can assure you that Nick and I will ensure that your plans go through. Okay? You have my support 100%. Okay?
Mazi, your support means a lot to me. You've always been so supportive. I don't know how to thank you. Mazi, please, I have a meeting to attend.
Wait, let me give you cola before you leave.
No. I'm no longer a stranger here. I am family now.
You won't say no next time.
I will not.
Okay.
All right. All right, sir.
Greet your people. Huh?
Goodbye, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Papa, yes? Why are you forcing Nika to get married to Ikene? She doesn't like him. And the only one I see benefiting from all this is you. And...
Will you keep quiet? What is wrong with you? How dare you talk to me in that manner? Huh? You're only a kid. Why would you involve yourself in matters that involve adults? Huh?
But Papa...
My friend, carry your food and leave here now. Idiot! If I hear pain from you again, my friend, carry your food and get out of here. If I break your head, idiot. Come on, get out from here. Try that nonsense again.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, Guinea Cameregi. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention. attention. I'm making her your wife. She's not for
Ne. Your food is here. Come and eat.
I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry. I'd rather go.
Ne, but you need food. You need strength. Bikono, eat. Even if it's 2 spoons, please now, you've not eaten since.
Neka, is it true?
What?
Is it true that they are going to kill my son?
Ne, where did you get that from?
Everyone is saying it. That they are going to kill him because he killed his uncle.
Ne, they won't. There is no solid evidence.
Super solid evidence. When his cutlass was found there, everybody knows that that cutlass belongs to Emeka woman.
True, Ne, but with a good lawyer, we can help vindicate him. Because someone might have stolen the cutlass here and kept it there.
Good lawyer.
Yes.
Neka, you need a lot of money to get a good lawyer. And I can barely feed myself.
Ne,
Emeka,
Ne, please, just eat first. Please now. Nobody is killing
let me
you.
eat because leave me alone. This land dispute between Emeka and his uncle. I told Emeka to leave this thing. You know, I'm going to be fair. If I need a little one, they can have come out of it.
my heart is shattered. Oh, dear, oh, dear, oh God, my hands are clean. Chimo, Bianyere Maka, Akamo, Diache, Obi Abawagamo, Akamo, Diache, Obi Abawagamo, he went on the Nigerian.
Papa, good evening.
Where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
I went to see a friend.
Liar! You're a liar! You think I don't know where you went? You went to Emeka's place to see the mother! Look at you.
Papa, she needed help.
Oh, she needed help. She needed help. And you are the right person to help her. Let me tell you, the only 2 families you should be concerned about right now are our family and the Ekenes. They are your future in-laws and not the family of that convict.
Papa, she's suffering. She's just a poor widow whose only son was...
Just shut up! Shut up! Look, I've got it up to here. Your stubbornness is up to here. Let me tell you, Emeka's family is dead to us. Can you hear me? Dead! Now, Ekene was here and he told me about his plans for you. Very beautiful plans for your future. Okay? So, he is somebody you should be aligning with now. A very beautiful future that you should be grateful for. And not clinging to that sham. Is that understood? Now get out of my sight. Leave my sight.
Love is stronger than any lies. Love is stronger than any lies. It shines.
I'm doing my best, sir. But I have to be careful. This is very complicated, as is the hardest thing that I have to do. I understand. I do. Thank you so much for your assistance.
His way. Your love go through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. You must stand again with your love. Your love go conquer. Through the fire, through the storm, through the rain. Your love go conquer. My love, we have been through this. Now we are stronger, we are standing again. You have been to the depth of sorrow and pain. Oh, but your love has risen. You are standing again. Oh, oh my love, we are standing again, standing again. Our love is stronger. Oh yeah, yeah. Our enemies has fallen. They try to destroy what we shared. They try to destroy our love, but it only grows stronger.
How many times do you have to call me? Eh? Calm down now. I told you I am working on it. Look, I know your need for money, okay? But you also have to understand the situation I find myself. Yes. So, look, you will get your share when I get the money. Yes. But please, delete that text message that you sent me. Yes. Yes. Delete it so that you don't implicate us. I will also delete my own. It's alright. Bunch of impatient people. Just calm down, you know, calm down.
Ah, Marciago. My in-law to be. Your hospitality is unmatched. This wine, it's so perfect. Very perfect.
You know me.
Marciago,
Yes.
you have set the bar high. And for your information, we're not leaving this your house in a hurry.
You see?
In any case, you are always welcome to my house anytime, any day.
Okay.
Yes. As a matter of fact, in no distant time, you are going to metamorphose from being visitors to landlords.
Oh, really? I am sure our wife will take after her father's hospitable nature.
Yes, uncle. I mean, she's everything you can find in a woman. I'm telling you, that's what I'm going for her.
You see, she'll be here soon.
Hmm.
Yes. I made this as a surprise to her. But I was told that she left very early this morning to the park to send some goods to the city. So, yes, I actually wanted to surprise her.
Girl.
Yeah, she is.
This has proven that our wife will be so industrious and hardworking. No wonder you have not left looking at her.
Uncle, I can never go wrong with my choice of woman. Never. In fact, I can't wait to start a life with her.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
If you say so. Cheers.
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea meregi, Guinea meregi. But she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
What?
How? What did they come here to do?
I don't know. They were just talking about knocking on the door. I don't even understand.
What? Knocking on.
Sister, wait now.
Enke, you are welcome. Ekene is here with the uncle.
They are here to see you.
Ekene, we need to talk outside. Now!
I hope all is well.
Yes, it's all is well, Uncle. My in-law to be.
Yes.
Let me go and attend to her. You know these girls. Maybe she's in a bad mood.
Mm-hmm.
Let me go and brighten
Go
her day.
and talk to her.
Sort it out.
I'll be right back.
Just take it easy. Huh?
My in-law, you know these children. They know how to sort themselves out.
Ekene, what are you doing in my father's house with your uncle? Don't touch me. Answer me.
Well, I've come to express my intent to marry you.
Marry me? Wait. You think we're in a stone age where you can just see someone and just marry them without even knowing them?
Neka, I've known you enough. What else do you want me to know about you?
Enough? Enough to just bring your uncle to my house. Look, we're not even in a relationship. Let alone, we're not even friends.
That is why I'm telling you to give me a chance to become your friend. Allow me to be the man you deserve. Huh? Come on,
The games you play, the lies you lie, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not for
Neka, I want to apologize for what happened the last time. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before coming with my uncle to see your father. I apologize. Please, I'm sorry.
I'm glad you now know that what you did was wrong.
I know, and I take full responsibility of my actions.
Better.
If you oblige me, I would like to take you out to a nice restaurant so we can eat. Order anything you want, just to show you that I am really sorry.
Eat? Did I tell you I'm hungry?
No. I didn't say that. It's just a way of saying I am sorry. Just a meant for what I did. Please don't say no.
Hey, don't touch me. I can go. You don't have to touch me.
Okay, thank you.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
It's just generator. I've been fixing a lot of it. Don't worry.
Sounds convincing.
I know.
See, I think I should call Toben now. I feel he's faster than you.
Oh, come on. Keep teasing, don't worry, I will get it. I know what I am doing, just relax. Give me just a few seconds.
You seem so persistent.
Yes. It's just a generator, okay? I am persistent because you want it. Just relax, calm down. I will fix it.
Okay. Let's see if your persistence gets it to work.
It will.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention.
Good evening.
You look good.
Thank you.
Wow. Oh my God, I can't get enough of you.
Okay, so where are we going from here?
Okay. We'll go to the market first, then get some stuffs. Then we'll go to my house. But I promise to bring you back home.
I see. Okay.
With you.
It's fine, it's fine.
She's not fooled by your fame. Guinea Cameregi, she's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. In your world of luxury and gold, you see her and your heart grows cold. She's the prize of the trophy you desire, but she is already taken by your love.
Nika, thank you so much for taking out your time to be out with me tonight. It's something that really means a lot to me.
I had so much fun. It was actually worth my time.
We could do this every day if you don't mind.
Every day, we could do the same thing. And no, I think we're going to get bored.
Bored, you say? With you? Oh, come on. You are the highlight of my day.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, you know what? We could visit your mall.
My mall?
Yes.
I thought you once said you don't want to have anything to do with my mall.
Come on, things are changing. We're friends now. I could just tour around the mall before the grand opening. What do you think?
All right, it will be my pleasure to do that.
Okay. Pick me up tomorrow at noon. Would that be fine?
I will not be a second late.
And don't forget my share before the grand opening.
Consider it done.
Okay.
Done.
All right. Bye. Good night.
Take care. Be expecting your call.
All right. Bye.
Oh my God. This is good. Sounds so nice.
You're falling for it, haven't you? All of it. How could you? How could you let them manipulate you like that? And now Brother Emeka is left to rot in jail. How could you do this to him?
How dare you speak of what you know nothing about? How dare you, Tobenna?
You just sounded like him. You even speak the way you speak the way he does.
I don't blame you.
Mama. Mazin Nabisi was here earlier today. He said something. That means Mazio Kafo. Mazio Kafo has been saying the truth all this while.
Truth about what?
I want you to tell me the truth. Mama. I said, I want you to tell me the truth. Who is my biological mother? Who is my biological father? Am I your biological son?
Emeka, now is not the time for this. What matters is to get
Mama, what I'm asking you matters to me. Tell me the truth. Tell me what I need to hear. Mama.
Emeka, you are my son. Does it matter if I'm the one that gave birth to you?
Does it matter? Does it matter, you say? Mama, so you've been lying to me all this while. Mama, I asked you repeatedly. So you've been lying to my face? You've been lying to my face?
Emeka, I took you in when you were small, when you were still a baby. I have always loved you as my son. Blood or not, you are mine.
You never think it's wise to tell me.
Emeka, I didn't want you to feel different.
You never think it's wise to tell me. And I've been living the life of lies all these years.
Emeka, you will not understand.
I will not understand what? I will not understand what, Mama? That you look me in the face and lie to me all the time?
I think that was the best thing for you. Doesn't matter. I still love you as my son.
You know what I need to know.
Emeka, my son. You were abandoned at the hospital where I worked as a cleaner in the city. Your mother gave birth to you and left you there.
I was abandoned.
Yes. When I told my husband, he said I should take you in as our son. We took you in as our own child because we couldn't have any child of our own. Emeka, you were our miracle. It was the best way to hide our shame. When we came back to the village, we created a story, and we made a vow to keep the secret. It was a secret we swore to take to our grave. Emeka become No matter what, you are still my son. I love you very much. Emeka.
I should have known. There was no point fighting for it. I don't belong here. I don't belong here. I shouldn't have. Not supposed to be there.
Emeka, that land belongs to you. That land is your father's land. It's your inheritance. Blood or not, you are still our son.
Oh God, I can walk and my hands are clean. Chino,
Surprise!
Nigga, you came.
I thought you would be more thrilled to see me. Maybe I should just leave.
No, please. Come. Honestly, I thought you were joking when you told me you were coming.
I felt you'd be prepared.
Please sit. Sit. Make yourself
Thank
comfortable.
you.
Yeah. Please, so what do I offer you?
Anything is fine.
I have red wine, Hennessy, whiskey, just anyone.
No, I don't take alcohol. Soft is fine.
Soft.
Yes.
Juice will be better.
Okay.
Just a minute.
No, so what are you doing? Sitting like this will not help Mama. Oh.
Can't you see? Yadama, can't you see? Am I not trying my best?
Your best? Your best is not enough. Mama's sickness is getting worse every day. Do you want her to die? Ha!
Don't you ever say that again. Don't ever say that again. I'll figure out what to do. I promise.
You promise? Promises don't pay hospital bills. You are the first son of this house. It's your responsibility to fix this. If Mama dies, oh, it will be on your head. You better do something. Hey.
What's
You
good
start
to
to play
I know, I'm sorry. What's good to say? What's it? What are you preparing?
Obana soup?
Abono soup.
Yes. You don't like it?
Wait. How did you know Abono
It's your
soup?
favorite. Look, I can actually guess anything and it's true.
Mercy.
Okay, I'm guilty.
You're guilty.
Yes.
Sorry, a minute.
You should take that. It can actually be important.
No, it's not important.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
But since the person calling from that end thinks it's important.
It's not. Okay? It's not that way. So,
I'll get the rest.
Pick your call. Just pick your call. Please pick your call.
No, sir. Mama is shaking. She's having a convulsion.
It's not.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention. I'm making your way.
Look at us. This actually shows how stubborn you are and how far you can go to get what you want. Right?
Neka. What makes a man is the ability to pursue what he believes in. That's exactly what I've done. We are here, so I'm proud of myself for doing that.
In other words, it's safe to say that I have the secret to your success.
Somewhat. Just somewhat. See, sometimes a man needs to be calculative, ruthless. You won't understand. See, nothing good comes easy, nigga. Nothing good.
Talking about the food, you didn't actually rate me, my cooking.
My bad. Pardon me. This is actually nice. Best meal I've ever had.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy yourself, please.
You manipulate, you deceive, you lie, you implicate him in a crime he didn't commit at all. Abozekisi eme.
Amadi, I was coming to see you.
Young man, is this how you approach an elderly man? Eh? Have you lost your manners?
Apologies.
Accepted. And what is it that is taking you to my house? Why is it so important?
Dikeh. I've been trying to reach Ekene. I've been calling him. He has not been taking my calls.
Why are you so desperate to reach him?
You know, the business we did. I know what I did for Ekene. Now he's busy. Parading himself everywhere with his girlfriend. Why the innocent young man is rotting in jail?
Young man, watch your tongue. You speak very recklessly. Do you want all of us to be exposed?
I know he takes your call. Tell him to fulfill his own part of the deal. Because if my mother dies, if anything happens to my mother, I will not keep quiet. I'm going to expose everybody that's into this.
Feel good. So good.
Hello? Ekene? Are you alone?
No. I'm not alone. What is it?
Go to somewhere safe. Yes, there's trouble brewing.
Ijamadi, what do you mean that Chinonso needs more money? I don't understand. I paid in full.
Yes, I must confess to you, I did not pay him all the money. Yes, I mean Chinonso. I did not pay him the full amount, you see.
Well, I think that is your problem. Fix it. I fulfilled every part of the deal. Go and fix this problem right now.
You see, I had some problems, urgent problems. So I decided to pay him half with the understanding that I will pay him the balance later. But things did not work out the way I planned it, you see?
Threatening to expose everything. See, let me tell you, let me make this clear to you. Be rest assured I'm going to get the best of lawyers to clear my name.
Please, can you help me now? Please. Do you want them to know what we are doing? Do you want them to know what we are doing? He will expose us all. I'm trying to calm him down, but he's running out of patience. He's saying that he's going to expose everything. Expose everything. Eh?
You and Chinonso will go down from it. I will not go down from it. Alright, so if you know whatever you're going to do to fix this problem, please, I beg you, fix it. What? What nonsense?
Phew. Ekene.
The games you play, the lies you lie, oh, just to get attention and make her your wife. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame. Ini Edo, Ini Edo. She's not fooled by your riches, she's not fooled by your fame.
Neka! Neka!
I'm in the kitchen.
You have been working since you came here. Please give yourself some rest. Huh? Only a while.
She's not feeling higher riches. She's not full.
Are you done?
I'm coming. I have enough evidence. Emeka's phone call with Uncle Amade. It's enough to take them to the police.
No, it's not enough. Hearsay won't stand in the court. You need evidence that screams the truth, not whiz past it.
But I've done everything. What else do I need?
Dig deeper. Find the connections and follow the tracks. You need a proof that leaves no doubt.
Uncle, I am already close to Ikene. People are talking. They are calling me a betrayal and a gold digger.
Let them talk. Noise will not save Emeka from the hangman. Evidence will. If you truly love Emeka as you claim, then stay focused.
Uncle, I love him. But this role, it seems impossible.
But necessary. You are his only chance. Can't you see it? You are his only chance.
She told me everything. Everything that she's been hiding from me. She told me how I came to be. So if you look at this now, you see there is nothing I'm fighting for. Everything is gone. I don't have a family. I don't have my freedom. I don't have the land. What else?
Obim, please. Don't you dare give up. I am going to stand with you in this. In no distant time, you will walk out freely from this place. Believe me. Please. You can't give up now.
Has Ekene tried to touch you?
No. No, Bim. He cannot touch me. I have a control over everything.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared of your life.
You don't have to be scared. Believe me, everything is going to be fine.
I love you.
I love you too. I overheard Ekene's discussion. I heard him discussing with Ichi Amade. And Nonso's name also came up. Obim, I think they have a hand in your uncle's death.
What?
Yes.
Are you sure about this? Are you sure?
Yes. We are close to revealing the truth.
No. You're risking too much. You have to be careful. You have to be careful.
I'm careful. But I want you to know that I will do anything within my power to make sure you are out of this place. Please, stay strong for us.
My heart is shattered. I'll be a mawagama. I'll be more. Oh God, my hands are clean. Chimo.
is there?
Why are you running? Why are you running like someone who is being chased by a ghost?
Will you shut up and mind your business? Mind your business.
Running also.
What are these two hiding?
Like, is that you?
Oh, so this thing is taking too long now. Mama needs to take her medicine.
But you can see that's what I'm preparing for her. Huh?
It's taking too long.
The process takes time. You know that.
Be fast. Ada, sister Ada. How are you?
Take.
Fine.
Go and give this to Mama.
But you said you...
Go and give it to Mama. Give her everything.
How is your mother?
It's not getting any better, but we are trying our best.
Try. Don't worry, I'll see her before I leave.
Okay.
And don't come until I call you. Neka, what do I owe this unexpected visit?
I will go straight to the point. How much were you paid?
Paid? What nonsense are you talking about? By who?
Don't act dumb with me. I know you were involved with Mazi Okafor's death. I'm framing Emeka up.
Neka. Where is that coming from? How? What? Where do you get all this?
I have proof. I have everything that I need. Enough to take to the police.
Then go ahead. Yes. Let's see who will listen to your nonsense stories. Because it's nonsense.
Oh, of course they will listen. And when they do, your family will listen. And guess what? Your sister Ada will have no option other than taking care of your sick mother while you rot in prison.
Neka, you bluffing. Yeah, you are bluffing.
Am I? So look, you're just a little fish in this pond. You know what is best for you? It's better you just confess. And that's where the police can just have a little pity on you. But if you continue to prove tough, you will just sink like others. One more thing. You have little time. Think about it.
Finally, now that you have gotten enough evidence, you can now call the area commander. And before you know it, Ekene and his cohort will be behind the bars. Let me call the area commander.
Uncle, I don't have the evidence.
What? What are you saying?
I searched Ekene's phone calls and text messages, but I couldn't find anything concrete. I only saw Nonso's messages asking him for money.
And you confronted them with that? What game are you playing? And you told him that you have enough evidence when you know very well that you have nothing.
I found deleted messages that Chinonso and Mazi Amadi sent to Ekene the same day that Mazi Okafor's body was found. Uncle, it's a proof and a lead as well.
Sorry, it is not. Deleting messages is not a crime. It is not.
I know, but it can rattle Chinonso and make him panic. And if he panics, he will sleep.
You are setting a trap. What if it backfires? What if Chinonso fails to take the bait? Ekene will now know that you are after him, and that will ruin everything. Can't you see?
Uncle, I'm aware of the risks, but it's the only way I can help. It's the only way I can save Emeka.
I only hope that it works. But if it fails, it will cost you more than you have planned for. I just feel that
I cannot afford to back out now. No.
Iwe nonu majuru obi mo, obi mgbawa narịrị juru obi mo. Amara na nwanne nna m mesiri m ike.
What's wrong?
O kwere m ṅụrụ mmiri, tomorrow you go. Obi gbawara m, obi m, obi tiwara m.
Please talk to me. What is the problem? Eh? What is it? Please talk to me. You are scaring me. Eh? I've never seen you in this mood before. What's the problem? No, so it's okay. Whatever it is okay. It's okay. It will be fine. Stop crying. Nonso? Nonso, what happened to you? No! No, Nonso! Nonso! Oh, Nonso! Nonso! Nonso, what happened to you, Nonso? Nonso! 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 Help! Nonso! Nonso! Somebody help! Nonso!
Hello. Uncle, are you serious about what you're saying?
No, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you with everything you hold so there. Listen to me. You cannot be here. This is not a matter of proving stubborn. This is about your life. You cannot fight these people. You have to leave town. You have to leave immediately. Please, once you leave here, start going, start living. Please.
You're asking me to leave?
Yes.
No, babe. Leaving you is like leaving you to those hangmen. I can't. Besides Chinonso's death, it's not connecting to me. It's somewhat shady.
No. Remember when you used to tell me to leave the land, okay? I am telling you now what I know. These people will harm you if you don't leave now. Please, I know these people more than you. They will do everything possible to bury the truth. Please.
I know you're saying the truth, but I cannot leave. I can't. I can't leave, not until you're free.
Free?
Yes.
Free? Nem, you don't even understand. My freedom died the moment they framed me up. You don't get it. They played a fast one on us. So I don't want you to join up in being part of their bargain. Please, I need you to be alive for me. Let me suffer this thing alone. Leave town. Leave.
I understand. But you have to believe.
Yeah. I believe. I believe that the only thing left for me right now is the day I'll be sentenced. The day I'll die by hanging.
Look at me. Just look at me. No one is hanging you. And I'm promising you I am not leaving this place until you're out and proven innocent. I'm going to be here for you, please. Just hold on. Hold on and let me be your hope. Please.
I think you should cook for me every day.
Really? I'm glad you like the food.
I love it. After getting married to you, I won't have to stay long, weeks, months without eating this kind of food. In fact, this is the best.
Yes, I look forward to that.
That's good.